everyone, tonight for supper I'll be making air fryer grilled cheese hot dogs. What all goes into the air fryer grilled cheese hot dogs? 4 hot dog buns, 4 hot dogs, 8 slices of cheddar cheese, 2 tablespoons of softened butter, optional, mustard, ketchup, relish, whatever you like on your hot dogs. So let's begin. Preheat your air fryer. 3 minutes. I've got automatic preheat. So I have preheat, and I'm going to cook my hot dogs for 4 to 6 minutes. I'm going to do 5 at 375. Let's start preheating. We're going to add our hot dogs. Put in your liner. Now it calls for 4 hot dogs. I'm adding 5 because I'm cooking one for Buddy. He thinks he's special. Cook that from 4 to 6 minutes. I'm cooking it for 5. You want to cook it until it gets a little bit crispy on the outside. Set them on a plate and set them aside. Take your 4 hot dog buns, butter them on the inside and the out. Then take a piece of cheddar cheese and put on each bun. And I put it in half and overlaid it like that, just so it's not making a big mess. And then put your hot dog on top of the cheese. Hopefully that don't fall off and land on the floor, because then Buddy will be after it. Then put another piece of cheese on top of the hot dog. Again, I'm going to put it in half like that. Then put these in the air fryer. Do not stack them, but I am going to kind of lean them up against each other, which it's not going to have them brown as well. I think this would work better on a griddle myself. Put your basket in the air fryer. Air fry. We don't need preheat. We don't need turn. We want to do probably 5 minutes for that. 4 to 6 minutes is what it calls for. It's going to make a mess, I know it. And 375. So here is the air fryer grilled cheese hot dogs. Rounding out the meal is garden vegetable rice. Let's see what Dave thinks.
I'm assuming this.
It is. That is air fryer grilled cheese hot dogs.
Oh, that sounds interesting. Feels hot though. That's pretty good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.